Welcome to S&L Unplugged. Today we're going to be making our own Garam Masala. We love Indian food, and I've talked about this before in some of our other Indian recipe videos. We have a favorite Indian restaurant that we go to for buffet style food, and I had no idea what Garam Masala was, but apparently it's kind of one of the main ingredients in a lot of Indian recipes. So I looked it up and I realized that you could make your own, and the things that you need to make Garam Masala are bay leaves, cumin seed, cinnamon sticks, cayenne pepper, whole cloves, coriander seeds, and whole cardamom pods. Now I had it already in our pantry: bay leaves, cumin seeds, cinnamon sticks, and cayenne pepper. And when I realized I only needed 3 more ingredients, I thought, okay, I'll buy these. So the cloves, the coriander seeds, and the cardamom pods. So I'm going to go over how to make your own. After I did this the first time, the next time I went to the store, I actually found Garam Masala already made at the store. And I had no idea that you could actually just buy it already. But I'm glad that I made it for myself because I like it better. That's what I'm going to show you today. So to make your own Garam Masala, you need 2 bay leaves, 2 tablespoons coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of whole cloves, half a teaspoon of cardamom pods, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and 1 cinnamon stick broken up. You also need like a spice grinder or a coffee grinder. So I'm going to be using our coffee grinder. And I've already measured everything out, and so I'm just going to put all this into the coffee grinder. Put the lid on here. And stick it in the grinder, and I'm just going to let it go until it stops. But you want it sort of nice fine grind to the spices. I ran it through the coffee grinder twice to get a really fine ground spices, and then I scooped it into a glass jar, got a label on it for my own Garam Masala, and now I can use it with my Indian recipes. Thanks for joining us on S&L Unplugged. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you'll get alerted when there's new videos. So I ran the grinder twice to get a really fine, what do they call this? To get the spice really finely ground. Okay.